Hey everybody, and welcome back to DeAnn Creates. Today, I'm going to show you how to make another simple fall holiday craft. And this craft is for someone who has a more neutral and modern decorating style. So if you'd like to see how I made these chic and glam pumpkins using mostly Dollar Tree items, then keep watching. First, I purchased 2 carvable foam pumpkins from the Dollar Tree, and I painted them with acrylic paints, one in the shade of titanium white and the other in neutral gray. I had to paint several coats to make sure that none of the original color was coming through. I also painted the stem as well. Then I took the gemstone stickers, which were also purchased at the Dollar Tree, and I placed them in the groove of the pumpkin. I started at the very top of the pumpkin by the stem, and I went all the way down to the very bottom of the pumpkin. I had to be very careful to put them in a straight line because once I pushed them down, it was very difficult to move them without pulling up some of the paint also. I put the stickers on every other groove because I only had 1 pack of gemstone stickers for 2 pumpkins. So if you have more than 1 pack, then you can put them in every groove if that's what you choose to do. Next, I made a bow with a wired ribbon and tied it around the stem of the pumpkin. Then I used my hot glue gun to glue it into place. I fluffed the ribbon until I thought it was cute. If the ends of your wire ribbon were sticking up and looking crazy the way mine were, then a good tip is to wrap the ends around a marker, a pencil, or a paintbrush to curl the ends. And there you have it, another simple fun holiday craft. This project would also be great to use as decorations if you're having a Cinderella themed birthday party. If you enjoyed this video, then leave me a comment below, smash that like button, and subscribe because you know you want to. Also, you can check out my website at DeAnnCreates.com. And come back next time because you never know what I'll be creating next. Bye guys.